Yo, what's good? This is a video on a fix on the installation suspended. As you can see, can't go on the multiplayer. These are the only map packs that show. If I go on, the home, manage game content, it only shows 3 packs that I can download. So basically, to try and get the other packs, you have to, this is if you have another account, go on the other account. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Switch user. Wait for that. When you're on the other account, do the same thing. So press the options button, manage game content, and for some reason this account has basically all of the map packs. So just go to the right, press install the map packs that you need, that you're missing. So on my other account it didn't show map packs 1 and map pack 3, which is downloading right now. If I go on downloads, so yeah, map pack 3 as well. That wasn't showing on their other accounts, so what I did was go on my account that I bought Modern Warfare on and downloaded it. So yeah.